Hello, my name is Chris, and today we're going to take a quick look at how to display data with a volume, open, high, low, close chart using Microsoft Excel. First, select both the category labels and the numbers in your dataset. Then go to the Insert tab on the menu bar and click on the waterfall chart icon. A drop-down box will appear and go to the stock charts. I'll choose the chart that contains the most amount of information, the volume open, high, low, close chart. And just like that, Excel creates a chart for you. First, I'll resize the chart so it's easier to work with. Then I will add the title for the chart by simply copying and pasting the title from the spreadsheet. Because this chart contains two types of information, it's important to label the primary and secondary y-axis. On the left side of the chart, the y-axis is the volume of stocks traded in a day. By clicking on the Add Chart Element icon and then choosing Axis Titles from the drop-down menu. Next, I'll choose the primary vertical and type in volume in millions. Also, I'm going to adjust the scale by double-clicking on it, which opens up the formatting panel on the right. I'm going to change the minimum value from 0 to 40. Now I have a better idea about the daily differences in the number of shares traded. I want to do the same thing for the price of the stock. Once again, I will click on the Add Chart Element icon and then choose Axis Titles from the drop-down menu. Next, I'll choose the secondary vertical and type in stock price. I will also change the minimum value of the scale from 0 to 100. Now the candlestick charts are much easier to see. The last thing I'm going to do is change the color of the candlestick charts, representing a lower closing price compared to the opening price, from black to red. To do so, I will double-click on one of the candlestick charts, which will open up the formatting panel on the right. I will change the fill from automatic to solid fill and then choose red. I will also change the color of the border from automatic to solid fill red. Next, I'll repeat the same step once again for the candlestick charts that represent an increase in the closing price over the opening price. This time, I will choose green for the fill and the border. Now we've successfully created a volume open, high, low, close chart, which helps people compare the volume of shares traded with the stock price, which in turn will help them make a data-driven decision.